If you're thinking about investing in real estate and if you would like to list your property to get it sold, remember the importance of first impressions. You only get that chance once. That's it. So today, in SERDNA Talk, we will talk about some items that you need to make into a priority. Things that either need to be fixed or repaired before selling your property. If your goal is to get it sold as soon as possible and not otherwise, let's talk about the exterior of your property. Listen carefully. Does it look good? Does it look abandoned, trashy, neglected? Remember that you need to create a positive first impression of your home to all buyers and neighbors. If you already know that you will be listing your property in a few weeks, get it painted now. This is extremely cost effective if you do it the right way, of course. You should stay away from painting the house in vibrant colors such as red, green, purple, orange, yellow, etc. You should only use neutral colors. Keep in mind that this might be your house today, but ideally not tomorrow. So you need to attract tons of buyers, and one of the best ways of doing this is by depersonalizing the property. Your goal should be to make it look like a plain canvas. This will give the buyer the opportunity to visualize himself or herself living there. And now that we have talked about the paint, your next item on your list should be your floor, since it needs to be in great shape, or you better consider installing hardwood floors. If you are on a tight budget, do not discard the option of vinyl floors. They look really good. They are cheaper and some of them will outperform many types of flooring. Once the buyer is inside your property, I'm pretty sure that one of the most wanted areas will be the kitchen. I really hope your kitchen is not only clean, organized, but very functional. Make sure the kitchen sink doesn't have any leaks, and your cabinet doors better be lubed and aligned properly. Those details are extremely important. And the same applies to the bathrooms. They better be squeaky clean, organized, and without any leaks or crooked doors. You should spend some time replacing or recaulking your shower, and make sure your grouts are the color they're meant to be. Don't be nasty. Now that we are talking about bathrooms and leaky faucets, let's talk about the plumbing. Because as you already know, common sense is very hard to find. I suggest you talk to your plumber about installing strainers around the house. And if you already have those, they better be squeaky clean. That's just basic stuff. But what about lighting? Yes, this is extremely important because lights set the mood. Take advantage of the new LED indoor and outdoor lighting. And let me ask you, do you take care of your air conditioning? Do you replace the filters? How often? Keep in mind that the property inspector will be at your property anytime soon. And talking about inspectors, do you know the conditions of your roof? How did it perform during the last hurricane or tropical storm? If you have any questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talk. That will tap the bell to stay informed, and thank you so much for watching. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.